Hello and welcome. Just getting out for a little bit, do a little excursion. I'm gonna walk around West Central here a little bit, just see what's around. I did see something driving by the other day, looked really interesting. I'm hoping it's still there. It's like some antique machinery or something. So let's go. The ever-present cars making noise driving on down Central. But that's all right. Now I walked across that busy street because I don't think I've ever really noticed this sign before. Skyview neighborhood. Huh. Skyview neighborhood west. Or Skyview West. I don't know what it. Slow down, have a great day. True. Slow down. Slow down. That says Loon Creek. Loon. I don't know if I've ever seen a loon. Now I thought, should I put a jacket on? I mean, it is into November, but whew, it is not only warm, it's hot. I'm actually feel like I'm burning. Oh, crazy. Now this is now Sign Art of New Mexico, Inc. This was kind of a closed up repair shop or something. I think it's changed hands. But I believe the famous Unser family owned this place. And next door here, this white building used to be the Children's Museum. But I think once the Unsers kind of moved all their assets to, I believe it's Indiana, their huge car collection, things kind of really changed around here. Now over here, in between the construction barrels and signs, those two pillars, that used to have a board across the top there, between those two little top peaks there, and it said Unserville. And that's where some of the Unser brothers lived. I did a video on this not too long ago. Then I went over to their museum where it had been closed up and changed into like an obscure TV station. But yeah, they never put that sign back. They must have used it for the museum or something. Very interesting. Okay, this is what I saw out of the corner of my eye the other day while driving by. And I could have sworn there was nothing here before, so this must have been moved around. Unfortunately, can't get in there, but check out this old tractor. And those trucks, I might be able to get closer to them if I can. And an old sign back there. Oh, very cool. Very cool. Let's go check out that weird building over there. And you've got an old tractor right there. And some old John Deeres. That is fascinating. Love it. Well, I'm going to have to lift my camera. Check out that old truck. Old tower. MFD. Wow. 30s or 40s? And this looks like an old shed or something. All opened up. And a couple more cool tractors. It's hard to see. Oh, this one's different. Look at this with all the gears. Wow, love it. Very different. Oh, there's an old like a water truck or a fire engine back there. You can see it a little bit better through here. That might be an old fuel truck. I've driven quite a few of those. I'd love to get in there and look around, but I'm sure there's a Mr. Dog that would love to take a chunk out of you. There's some old like plows or something back there. Very cool. Probably don't want you hanging around here, I'm sure. It's one of the Unser's homes, or used to be. Oh, I can get a little closer, not much. Wow, there's an old sign, Roadrunner. I wonder what that was to originally. Old neon sign. Let's see if I can swing over here and take a look at these trucks a little better. Wow. That red one looks in pretty good shape. You can kind of see the yellow one behind it. But that's an oldie but goodie right there, that rusty looking one. That might be part of the sign right there, Roadrunner. Very cool, very cool, very cool. I love those walls over there with the wagon wheels in them. A lot of nice privacy. Well, if you know me, I like to snoop around places I probably shouldn't be. But I see some really cool things back in this little alley through the gate. And I'm hoping I can go film a little bit before I get kicked out. Let's give it a try. Shh, be quiet. Oh my gosh. There's an old streamline over there. Discount Tires, Bob's Burgers, Chevron. Some of these antique collectors would go mad over this stuff. Very, very cool. I'm gonna get out of here before I get in trouble. Okay, heading east on Central now. Kind of back to where we were. See if there's anything else to check out. Peerless Tire Shop across the street. I thought they were doing pretty well, but they are completely abandoned. See the basketball, the giant basketball for giants to play basketball. That's halfway in the ground up there. Now this is Legacy Church. Big church. It's like an interesting yard right here for this mobile home. Got some fun stuff. I thought I'd come and explore this church a little bit, but I think I'm going to get kicked out here. I say that on camera. I'm causing a stir. I just parked here 5 seconds ago.
I know, but you were seen taking pictures from clear out there.
Yeah, I'm down the road making a video. Weird. I'm leaving, but that's the strangest thing I've ever heard.
Well, it's something that happens sometimes on private property. So
yeah. Well, that's a friendly church. They saw me taking pictures down here. Wow. Oh well. I don't own the property. They can do what they want. That's all right. Just the way you said it kind of ticked me off. And that church is so wealthy and so big that they bought this building here. Huge. I don't know, probably 100,000 square foot. It was going to be a like a builder's square, I believe. like a Home Depot, but it never got going. And Verizon Wireless took it over. They were there for a while. And that church, Legacy Church back there, just purchased this. You gotta have a lot of bucks, huh? Well, folks, that's gonna do it for today's excursion. I thought it was going really well. That guard back there, his attitude is what bothered me. I've never been kicked out of church grounds before, ever. I've been welcomed, or people say, you know what, they really don't like people taking pictures. And I'd say, yeah, that's absolutely, I appreciate it. I'm not really on public sidewalk or street, so I get it. But this guy just kind of ticked me off. I'm usually pretty easy to get along with. I just go out, but oh well. I don't know if that hurt my video or helped it. Probably helped it, because it makes things a little more exciting. And there's a UPS driver there looking at me like, what is he doing? Everybody has a camera in their pocket, but if you pull it out and start using it, what is he doing? What is she doing? Taking pictures? Better not get me in there, because someone will recognize me, and I don't know what's after that, but we'll see you soon. Take care of yourself and those around you. Bye for now. Thank you so much for tagging along today. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you. I'm leaving. Quit your squawking. All three of you.